Hello and welcome back to ticker symbol INY YouTube channel. Thank you for being here, you beautiful angel. I appreciate your presence in this channel. So let's look at what happened today in the SPY. So we had a little indecision candle. If we go back to the 5-minute and see exactly what happened, we had a little gap. We had a little gap and go, and it was pretty steady all day. We built up this support level here at 272, and so far we're holding it. You can see we touched it over here as well. This is a pretty strong one that we really don't want to break. If we break that, we will be heading to around 264 area is where I would be looking if we broke that. So if we ever do break that in the next coming days, I'll be trading that bearish to 264. So we're going to keep an eye on that. But in the meantime, we might have another bullish day tomorrow. We'll see. There's really no telling what the market's going to do right now. It has a mind of its own. So let's go ahead and look at some other stocks. Let's take a look at Roku. I traded Roku today, and I told you guys I was going to be transparent with all my trades. And today I made a mediocre trade. I was stopped out very quick. So this candle here is right when I got in. I saw this. This was the opening candle of the day. And I saw this what I thought was a pretty strong hammer candle come in. And it just did not work. Quickly after, got stopped out. I had my stop around here, but yeah, got wicked out the very next candle for a loss of 1R. But that is the name of the game. Lose small, win bigger. So today I took a small loss, but what will happen tomorrow, who knows. Yeah, so let's look at some other ones. Shack, let's look at that on the daily. I said we were gonna watch the break of this right here, because we did see a lot of resistance beforehand, and we did close above it. So I'm thinking we could pretty much play this one bullish. Right now we could expect maybe a nice bullish run to around here before we see any more kind of resistance to around 57. So I might be trying to get in tomorrow if we do dip back down to this line here at 47.60. I'll probably be picking up some shares and maybe riding it to 57, probably with a stop, a little comfortable stop under here, or even, yeah, with a stop down here. So, oh no, that won't be. I'll probably place my stop right around here. So like a little $5 R there. And that would be my trade on that one. Let's look at Docu. Docu had another inside day candle here. It's deciding where it wants to go right now, like many other stocks. A lot of stocks right now are kind of in this channel, just kind of distributing, deciding, what is this market telling me to do. And Docu is one of them, but this one is doing it at a pretty high price. It's very close to all-time highs, all-time high 4 days ago. So we will see what the future holds with this one. Pretty much, I'm just gonna be waiting for a break of either of these lines, 96 or 105, and just ride it as it goes. So now let's take a look at Square. Square was one I should have traded today. It was one I was looking at. It was another inside day candle. Yesterday I said that this one was in this channel for a bit, and it is yet another day of it being inside this channel. Kind of what's going on in the market right now. But this morning I set up my lines here and down here, and I was gonna wait, whatever one of those broke first. But I got in the Roku trade and had already lost before Square broke this level, and eventually would have been a beautiful trade. Wish I would have been a little more patient waiting for the right trade to set up, because that would have been an excellent one. But hey, hindsight is always 2020, so there's thousands of trades every day. Today wasn't my day, but tomorrow might be. Key is to stay alive. So let's look at AMD. AMD was another one that had a really good trade opportunity with a pretty big gap and an inside day candle. Keeping this bullish trend going, but on the 5-minute, pretty similar to Square. It broke over this neckline and just kind of continued today. Not quite as much as Square did, but it did a good job. So I'll be keeping an eye out on this one. Tomorrow should be interesting. We'll see if we're going to get a test back up to here. Who knows? Yeah, we still waiting on earnings for this in next week, so that'll be very interesting. So then the last one, PTON, I actually set up a trade on Peloton today. Taking a risk, but that's trading. I entered right around here because I did like these two candles. I liked all that buying pressure there, and then today it continued with an inside candle. So I did set up an entry there with a stop down here, and I'm hoping, maybe tomorrow or the next few days we could snag. My target is up here at 34.40, so hoping we could snag 2.5 Rs real quick on this one, but we will see. Risking an R to win 2.5. Don't know what's going to happen, but it had a really nice run there, and now it's bucking back a little bit. But if we look at the hourly, it's looking pretty bullish, and this seems to be the work of a new good support, so I'm hoping that we bounce off of this and continue up again. And that's my trade on that. So yeah, thank you guys for being here. You are beautiful humans, and I hope trading is going well for you. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate. Send them in the comments. I'm here to help. I'm here to learn from you guys, and hope you have a great day. We'll see you in the next one.